Hello and welcome back to the Professional Certifications channel. In today's video, we'll explore IT Asset Management.
IT Asset Management.
Overview. IT Asset Management (ITM) is a comprehensive plan for making business decisions about your IT infrastructure. It involves overseeing the entire lifecycle of an organization's IT assets, from procurement and deployment to maintenance and disposal.
Detailing IT Asset Management.
Asset identification, keeping a detailed inventory of every asset in the organization, including specifications, location, and any related contracts or agreements. Asset tracking, regularly monitoring and managing the asset's location, status, and performance. Lifecycle management, managing assets from procurement to disposal, ensuring that they are maintained effectively and replaced or upgraded as needed. Contract management, managing contracts and agreements related to IT assets, ensuring compliance and effective vendor management. Cost management, monitoring and managing the costs related to IT assets, including purchase, maintenance, and disposal costs. Risk management, identifying and managing the risks related to IT assets, including compliance and security risks. Strategic planning, using data and insights from IT asset management to make informed strategic decisions for the organization.
Key benefit. The essential advantage of IT asset management is the enhancement of cost efficiency and the optimization of asset utilization. It ensures that organizations are getting the maximum value from their IT investments, leading to improved financial performance and operational effectiveness.
Additional benefits.
Strategic decision-making provides valuable data and insights that aid in informed decision-making and strategic planning. Cost savings helps identify underutilized assets and opportunities for consolidation, leading to significant cost savings. Compliance management ensures that the organization is compliant with various standards and regulations related to IT asset management. Risk reduction helps in identifying and managing risks related to IT assets, leading to enhanced security and risk management. Enhanced lifecycle management ensures that IT assets are effectively maintained, upgraded, or replaced as needed, leading to optimal performance and reliability.
Conclusion. IT asset management is a critical practice for organizations looking to optimize their IT investments, enhance operational effectiveness, and ensure strategic alignment of IT assets with organizational goals and objectives.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.